What's up, everybody? Today, I'm gonna be showing you how to, if you still play Pokemon Go, how to get a joystick on iOS. You can't do it on Android. They removed it, but you can do it on iOS. But I am not using iOS right now, so I'm just gonna show you what you go to. And I'll leave a link down in the description for this. So you can get to this. iOS. Okay. Okay, so recording, so the regular, and then copy all this. Okay, so you just get this, and then you just download it for your iOS, or they just download it. And then once you go in it, if you're on Android, if you're on Android, it won't pop up. It'll just pop up regular Pokemon Go. So that's why you have to go on iOS, and then you can go Pokemon Go hack. Search. And the Pokemon Go joystick hack will come up. So you'll just get that. And that's all. So, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.